Hello, it's Mr. G, your business teacher. In this lesson, we'll focus on evaluating business decisions effectively in your BTEC Unit 6 Principles of Management exam. Strong evaluation is key to high marks. Examiners want to see critical thinking, balanced arguments, and justified conclusions, not just descriptions of business concepts. Start by identifying the decision in the case study. Businesses make choices related to strategy, finance, leadership, or operations. First, understand its purpose. Is the company expanding, cutting costs, or responding to external factors? Then assess its short-term and long-term impact. A strong evaluation includes advantages and disadvantages. Every decision has benefits and risks, so discuss both sides before concluding. If a company expands, benefits might include higher revenue, but risks could involve financial strain. A balanced answer considers multiple perspectives rather than being one-sided. Your response must be justified. Saying a decision is good or bad isn't enough. Use case study data and apply business models to support your points. If wages increase, refer to Maslow's hierarchy of needs to explain how motivation might improve productivity. If staff are cut, use Cotter's change model to assess employee reactions. Strong justifications strengthen your argument. Examiners expect you to consider alternative options. Businesses rarely have only one solution. If a company is outsourcing to cut costs, consider an alternative like improving efficiency through training. Weigh up the pros and cons and explain why the chosen decision is the best fit for the situation. Think about long-term versus short-term impacts. A decision that saves money now might harm reputation and morale later. If a company reduces customer service staff, it might improve profitability initially but damage customer loyalty over time. Highlighting these trade-offs makes your evaluation more analytical. Consider external factors. A decision may seem beneficial internally but could be affected by competition, legislation, or economic conditions. If a business launches a new product, success might depend on market demand, consumer trends, or regulations. Showing awareness of these influences adds depth. Avoid stating opinions without evidence. Don't say, "This is a bad decision," without justification. Use case study data, financial figures, or business theories to support your point. Examiners reward answers that analyze rather than assume. To maximize marks, structure your evaluation clearly. Start with a statement of the decision, analyze pros and cons, compare alternative options, discuss long-term versus short-term impacts, and conclude with a justified recommendation. By mastering evaluation, you demonstrate critical thinking and business insight, key skills examiners look for. Evaluating business decisions effectively will improve your exam performance and help you understand real-world business challenges. Thank you.